The world is changing faster than at any other time in human history. Every year, the warning signs grow stronger. Every year, the consequences become harder to ignore. But the real question is this: are we paying attention? Today, we will explore the top 10 major environmental issues shaping the future of our planet. Some of them are already visible. Some are quietly building in the background. All of them will affect humanity in the years ahead. Which one do you believe is the most dangerous? Let's begin. 10. Rapid global warming. Earth's temperature has risen by more than 1 degree Celsius since the industrial age. It may sound small, but this small increase is driving massive changes across the climate system. Heat waves are growing stronger. Ice sheets are melting faster, and scientists warn that we could cross the 1.5-degree threshold before 2035. Once that limit is passed, the chain reaction may be impossible to stop. 9. Deforestation. Every year the world loses 10 million hectares of forest. Entire ecosystems vanish. Rainfall patterns shift. Wildlife loses its home. The Amazon, often called the lungs of the planet, is nearing a tipping point, a point where it may no longer recover. Without forests, the Earth's natural balance collapses. 8. Air pollution. According to the World Health Organization, 7 million people die each year due to polluted air. Smog-filled megacities, toxic industrial zones, invisible particles that travel deep into our lungs, and even into our bloodstream. How long can the human body endure this silent threat? 7. Plastic pollution. Every minute a full truckload of plastic enters the ocean. Microplastics are everywhere, in our water, in our soil, even inside the human body. Scientists have found plastic particles in human blood, and even in the placenta of unborn babies. So the real question is no longer, are we exposed? It is, what is this doing to us? 6. Water scarcity. By the year 2040, half of the global population may face severe water shortages. Rivers are drying. Lakes are shrinking. Droughts are becoming more intense. For millions of people, clean water is no longer a guarantee. It is a luxury. 5. Soil degradation. Healthy soil is the foundation of agriculture. But each year, we lose 24 billion tons of fertile soil to erosion and poor farming practices. If this continues, food production may struggle to keep up with global demand. What happens when fertile land becomes a rare resource? 4. Overfishing. 1/3 of the world's commercial fish stocks are overexploited. Oceans once filled with life are now losing species at an alarming rate. Coral reefs are dying. Ecosystems are collapsing. Entire fish populations may never recover. Without healthy oceans, humanity loses a vital source of food and stability. 3. Biodiversity loss. Earth is experiencing the fastest rate of species extinction since the dinosaurs, but this time the cause is not an asteroid. It is us. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change. Species are disappearing up to 1,000 times faster than normal, and when an ecosystem loses its balance, everything within it begins to fall apart. 2. Chemical pollution. Toxic chemicals from factories, farms, and waste sites are contaminating the environment. Heavy metals, pesticides, industrial compounds. These pollutants enter our food, our water, and our bodies. How many long-term effects are still unknown? 1. Extreme weather and climate disasters, floods, wildfires, megastorms, heat waves. In the past 20 years, the number of extreme weather events has doubled. Entire regions are becoming uninhabitable. Millions of people are being displaced. And this is not a warning for the future. This is happening right now. The planet is sending us a message, a simple message. I am changing. What about you? Which of these environmental issues do you think humanity should focus on first? Share your thoughts in the comments below.